Hi, in this video, we're going to come up with the integration by parts formula. So we're going to start with something called the product rule for derivatives. Recall that if you have the derivative, g dx, of a product, say f of x times g of x, the product rule from calculus says it's going to be the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. And there's all kinds of ways of remembering this. I think of it as f is the first function, g is the second. It's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. And that's how I memorize it. So now to come up with the integration by parts formula, what we can do is we can integrate both sides of this equation. So this is going to be the integral of d dx. And here we have f of x, g of x, dx. And then we're going to integrate all the stuff on the right side over here. So it'll be f prime of x, g of x plus f of x, g prime of x, dx. Integrating the left-hand side, we just get f of x, g of x equals, and then over here, we get two integrals. We get the integral of f prime of x, g of x dx, plus, and we get this other integral, f of x, g prime of x dx. So it could be useful to know where we're going in order to come up with a formula. So the formula we're trying to come up with, I'm going to write it down here. This is not part of our derivation, just so I have it, so you could see it. It's the integral of u dv, and that's equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So this is the formula we're trying to come up with, right? This is the integration by parts formula that we are trying to derive. So we've reached a point where we really have to think about that. So we're looking for u dv. So that's going to be this piece here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write that on the left-hand side here. So integral f of x, g prime of x, dx, right? Because we're thinking of u as our f of x. Okay, and then dv as being g prime of x dx. Okay, and that's equal to uv, that's the f of x g of x. And we're subtracting this, so minus this one here. This would be, I'm going to write this as g of x, f prime of x dx. You'll see why in a minute. So now let's translate all of this to u and v. So if u is f of x and dv is this, so this is the integral of u dv. So we have that. That part's good. Equals f of x, g of x, right? That's going to be, this is our v, right? This is our u. So that's uv. Minus, and then v is here. And this is du. And that matches this. So we have it, right? We've basically derived. So from this, we can make this identification, and we have shown the formula, just switching notation, but pretty cool, right? It comes from the product rule for derivatives. So maybe you didn't know that. So if you didn't, that's cool. Now you know. Maybe you already knew. In any case, hopefully you have learned some math. Take care.